Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West unboxing for the month of August. It does include all the items and it tells you how much they are. So if you want to keep it, you know how much you'll be charged. If you don't want to keep it, you just put it back in the box and send it back. So it's very easy. Looks like I received 2 tops, 2 bottoms, a dress, and a necklace. So this first bundle here has the necklace in it. It's pretty long and it's adjustable. It just has some gold hoops of different sizes. That's pretty cute. And then this may be the dress. Yeah, that's adorable. Just plain navy blue.
I love a dress.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Raylan loves dresses.
It's a blue dress.
Mm-hmm.
And I got a pink dress on.
That's right.
This morning.
And it looks a little bit longer than some of the other dresses they send, so I'm happy for that, because some of the other ones are pretty short. But I will insert full pictures of these items at the end, that way you can see them. Let's see what's in here. We have a top that looks kind of short, but it has really cool little cutouts in the sleeve. It's nice and flowy. Then we have some leggings. Look a little wild. They're super soft though.
Yeah.
Yeah. My favorite are the shorts that feel this way.
I like those ones.
You like them?
Yeah.
All right.
I wear them once hot.
They've sent me some shorts before that are like that same kind of material. And they kind of have crazy patterns too, but they are the softest things ever and I love them. And then here is a top that is rather long.
I love that top.
You do?
Yeah.
It's like pleated in the front.
I think you should sell this top.
Sleeveless. You like it, but I should sell it?
Yeah.
That doesn't make sense. Have my little helper today. And then it has like a bottom that's kind of fitted or bunched together, however you want to say that. Then a pair of jeggings. Oh, these are cute. I think I have these already. If not, they look very similar to that. Yeah, no, I have these already. They're elastic here, and then we have like little distress going down the sides, but they're dark denim. Then they're cuffed at the bottom. Very cute. So that is what I have for you today. I'll go ahead and insert those pictures along with the prices, and if you'd like to try anything from Nadine West, I do have a promo code below and a playlist if you want to see past videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.